Hello guys, this is Vikram Batni. Today we are going to discuss a topic of Hindu article which is about a virus and its drug hydroxychloroquine. So we are not going to discuss that whole article actually. What we are going to discuss is basic concepts of the article. So, in the heading, we can see this drug does not reduce the viral load. What does that mean? It means that this drug is not actually a vaccine. It does not destroy the virus. So, what the studies showed is this drug, which is hydroxychloroquine, and this virus, which is COVID-19. How this both are, how this drug is fighting this virus. So what does this virus do to the human body? This virus increases the inflammation increases the inflammation in human body, plus decreases the WBC count in the human body. So what is WBC? WBC are the cells in our body which fight the foreign objects like virus or any thrown whatever the virus or foreign body bacteria whatever comes into our bloodstream or in our body, WBC fights it. So this is our immunity. What is inflammation? Inflammation is a process or is an effect body shows when it is faced with some external threat like virus in the form of swollenness, redness. That is inflammation. So when COVID attacks our body, inflammation increases, WBC, the body's power to fight, decreases. Due to this, eventually when it becomes severe, patient may die. So the result is death. Right. What does hydroxychloroquine do to fight this? In trials, it is showed that it is not acting as a vaccine. It is not killing the virus, but it is effectively decreasing inflammation. Inflammation is being decreased. Plus, it is moderately increasing the WBC count, which gives the body power to fight the virus, which in conclusion is giving more survival chance for the patients who are infected with COVID. So survival chances are increasing. So this research is conducted by Shanghai University, Shanghai Jiao Tong University School of Medicine, Shanghai, which is in China. So China did this research and they published this article. Only around 10% of the patients had some adverse side effects, like mainly diarrhea. That's it, nothing more. So this hydroxychloroquine is not a solution to the coronavirus, but it can improve the survival chances of the patients. So this is the total gist of the article, and these are the basic terms and concepts you have to know. That's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot.